Let's talk about that pesky Bosch Dishwasher E18 error. If it popped up on your machine, you're probably wondering what it means and how serious it is. Here's the deal. E18 usually means your dishwasher isn't getting enough water. Not no water, just not enough. And that's a big problem when it's trying to clean your dishes properly. Now, what causes the Bosch Dishwasher E18 error? Most often, it's a faulty water inlet valve. That's the little part responsible for letting water flow into your dishwasher. If it's broken, stuck, or even partially clogged, your appliance won't get the right amount of water, and boom, E18 shows up on the screen. There's a quick check you can do before calling for backup. First, unplug your dishwasher and take a look at the water supply hose. Is it kinked or blocked? Next, remove the filter and see if any debris is messing with the flow. If everything looks fine and you're still getting the Bosch Dishwasher E18 error, the inlet valve might need replacing. This is a fix some people can do themselves with a bit of patience, a screwdriver, and the right replacement part. But if you're not into DIY repairs, calling a technician is totally reasonable. For this kind of issue, expect to pay anywhere from $100 to $180, depending on labor costs and the model of your dishwasher. To wrap it up, the Bosch Dishwasher E18 error means low water level, usually caused by a faulty water inlet valve. Clean what you can, check the basics, and don't hesitate to bring in a pro if it gets tricky. Your dishwasher and your dishes will thank you.